abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GNTN page so medin e de adwoa searching na asofo kum chacha o de ensem bi atodwa ne nsem a okay na ene se bukom banku boxer ohia mpai bo papa bukom banku esese Ghana fu na ye che no ye de yensa gu ne fu bo mpai ma no because sabio kame akoye se niam bi bo ha oya enhye da enhwe kwem enhye da enye sa na de nti asofo kum chacha e ka se nyina ne se yen na ye Ghana hanom na bukom banku nipa tuntuntuntum oblichi beye kokokokokokoko chese hu bukom banku enya asem ketwa kra wada no broni amanfo bebre kasa kire ne se bleaching no enye nti onjai na nku no de sta no kra no ebetimi aha na dwen bukom so o onankasa ne body a nti ne Ghana fo emfa mo ho fofia antwata na onankasa de beto internet ne so se se de bleaching no bleaching wetimi wo se enye nti we jai aye de nyame ase okoye adwuma kra e wo GH1 eye na na ba na moa e pena sem ye papa fofia antwata na nsen pictures bi just recently a circulate e wo internet no so na hwani because ye shede hu nipa no papa aye se bukoma aye se enyo na because bukoma ka che yen se bleaching bi on bleach bi o na sisi e de aba no kwa de twem bukoma ye kokokokokokokoko e na wasan so a shelash aka ho ne ebisa nse bukoma adenti na wo ye ho sa o se o me a aye se me sisi e no me Ghana fu hu mi bi o aye de se obi antimi din bi o mi din ko fem enti no me bleach na ma shelash no na ma san so e de a revive me din na akọ fem no because aye te se Ghana fu attention no me so me mpane sa enti no me bleach na no na pay one osofo kun chacha ekosia wo Neat FM and as a Peace FM na omo entertainment show so no mokosia na kun chacha se obi a obleach bia no eye bone kese pa e de ema no na de bukom banku ye no ense fata bukom obi a oye ni patuntum pa watimi akotonku enya daje e de 3 days pe bukom chese 3 days pe no no de sraw aye kokokoko sei na asofo kum chacha se bukom banku uhia mpaibo uhia deliverance ankasanka na eno na asofo kum chacha se bukom banku uhia mpaibo ankasanka uhia deliverance ankasanka se ye chiro ne bo mpaimo because the way no enye na yenti nsem a asofo kum chacha de etudwa
do what you preach.
Thank you. So that's it. And obi biala o de semana ana wo de bibi epo wo ho a wo de po wo body no eye bone kase pa
Really?
eye bone kase pa wo Bible mo wo kan quotation mi o Lamentation chapter 4 verse 8 ya o say afedie ebedu ba bi no so wa po wo ho awie no afedie onwanim ebebre asinjebidie tieni yo afe be ya kakra no wo pon hu wi a wo so wanim no ebe sesa ya tise jebidie na won a wo hu mro no so no ehu na wo redi ya befemfa mo no mpe ho na achen aya wenchinse dua eti ebedu ba bi a minia bukom banku ansesa na dwen na wansakra na dwen a Bible say ebedu ba bi a ne honam no ebeye tuntum tise jebidie ebeye bidie pa beye black a obi hu nakora enya de a obi hu no etimi sof chacha de bukom banku yo bi a me penasam me dono by some ni na hia so yisu die de makatra na say de edi kan waye Kristo ni so ye kremoni no onfa nyame yie because ade o kan nipa de utumi wu na utumi wu chena onfa nyame yie na wonyai ahopo a wo po no enye ena ayi na hyenani no ye friend saying hi de mo kan say
The
hyenani no eyelashes.
Thank you.
Eyelashes na hyenani no so on say we no eye man na ehye eye man na ehye etiminia bukom enna odifu kum chacha me catch say onyai say eyelashes na hye na ahopo no onyai eti ye be wie so ya ese me bompa na me deliver no say
Now can't you also hear deliverance?
Oh, everybody needs somebody.
Maybe you see that I'm crazy.
Everybody needs somebody. So bukom banku here big deliverance. It's not small deliverance. So, Bukom Benku, I tell you the truth today, and the date here on the 4th. I tell you today, say Bukom Benku, Miss of Kumchacha Mekase, when you full deliverance, because you deliver Bukom Benku, I'm a Bukom Benku to me and Sasana Junior, me more time, Sabe, Miss of Kumchacha, Mrs. Sama Junior, me woo and Yame Benjamin. So when Sasana Junior, or who are Bakobon Samujam.
So what's your Bukom Benku here? Or see.
What they know, Unipediano was saying, according to 1 Corinthians 3:16, so say, you are the temple of God. We in Yamea saw the antibody no, so we did the agro, so we friendly agro, body no, was say body no we. And then Yamea saw dining Yamedia money and for body in the agro say, oh, say body no, so we did the agro, so they say, because of publicity, mo can say. Publicity. Thank you. Because Bukom Benku is a public figure. Our year and Yame, Amanajidi and Asa Wajidi. Eti enye breaching any our pono and a Bema Bukom Benku Ajidin. So one pono kura Bukom Benku is a Bukom Benku. Bukom Benku, Ebajidin, and now Wajidin. Eti media, a foot to us of Kujacha, Madame and say. On sasa na on fa na woman Nyankopon yie na on toto na kwan yie na montuo enso Onyankopon ani na menimse menua Bukom Benku tia no meka no kwatekole kale sese
Obeka no say
meka no kore na meka no yie
categorically
me da se meka no kote meka no cut
categorically.
Mechanic cut.
So we can play and you're playing for.
Yeah. Mechanic brain say, Emilia Bukom Benku tiano. Bibi, Awa, as I see a yabuano. I see a Bibi Bukom Benku.
Say.
And yes, I see a Yabu Bukom Benku say, as will be a year believer, any Jidini Biano, Yamon Paye, Emma Bukom Benku, Nabukom Benku, and to me, no man.
I don't abnormal.
What's it?
Abnormal, Anna.
So to me, young normal.
No, on your normal.
Messiah, so to me, young normal. That me say, but me, no man, the miss of Kumchacha, me, I don't see Bukom Benku, and normal.
Bukom Benku? Are you normal?
Mike, we my panel, many and Pacho.
Kumchacha see, yes, said, or Yanya breeding now, normal.
Can you tell me, say, and you fit your mida? Oh, Baba, Odi Baba, Ote Baba, Delu Nilu, Nakanyum Baba Mida. You can't call him your local Mikra. Kijari, Mini Kaba, oh my, the Kobasha, Shonyami, Betra, and Bama against each yo, and Bama against each yo, more preaching. Take the first, I was talking. Go find the money. More preaching, more deliverance. Oh, more preaching, more deliverance. Oh, more preaching, more deliverance. That's the first I will stop. More deliverance. No, don't mind them. You know your Bobby collaborator. Leave them. More deliverance. Now, the Spirit of God is a woman being. God has created the world before they born Jesus Christ. Okay, so who here be the meaning? God has created the world before they born Jesus Christ. No matter more than 4 years. If somebody breaching themselves, God know. So who here be God know. We don't work about the Satan. Our spirit there for our body be God. You know be Satan. You understand me?
I understand.
That was Sofoko Chacha say he's the big pastor in Ghana. I know him more than 20 years. He make name. Osofo, more preaching. What? More preaching.
Anyway, Halifax, before I was rudely interrupted by.
Because my time said Kasa.